Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve KB5053602 failed to install in Windows 11. So the KB5053602 patch released on March 11, 2025 targets Windows 11 editions 22H2 and 23H2, elevating the OS to OS builds 226.21.5039 and 226.31.5039. So this error generally caused by corrupted system files, conflicts with third-party software, and corrupted update cache. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the desk cleanup. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type desk cleanup, and then click open, and pop-ups this desk cleanup drive selections, and then select the drive you want to clean up, and then you need to select C drive and then click OK, and open up here at desk cleanup. And then next step, so files to delete, and then select those files you want to delete. Alright, so all of these are the options like download files, temporary, and then temporary files, and then check this box. And then once you already select, and then next step, then tap this clean up system files. And then again, so select the drive you want to clean up, and then select this C drive and then click OK. And we will wait to complete the deleting or scanning of this cleanup. Alright, so once it's done, and the other solutions we will do is to employ the troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then click open. So here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and then at other troubleshooters, under here at most frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, and then you can see here the run settings, and then tap this. And we will wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and then you can see now here the scan results or problem found, Windows Update issues detected. Alright, so if this problem is fixed already, and then you click yes. If not, then click no. And then you can also view the detailed informations about these problems found. Alright, so once it's done at troubleshooting, and then close the settings, and the other solutions we will do is to reset the Windows components. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click, and then tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword NATSH space WNSAC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WNSAC space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the WNSAC catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And then all you have to do is to close CMD, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Okay, so click only here. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix update KB5053602 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.